Hello children, how are you? I hope you are staying safe and healthy. Yes, last day we discussed fourth chapter and today we are going to discuss the sixth chapter from the grammar textbook, and the title of our chapter is Prepositions. In, between, behind, with, near, from, to. Today we are going to discuss these prepositions: in, between, behind, with, near, from, the last one, to. Okay, here you will get some examples of prepositions. Let me read it for you. Above, under, below, beneath, beside, in, back of, in front of, in, out, inside. Okay, these are examples of some prepositions. Okay, and here you will get the answers of previous day's homework questions. You can check your answers with this. Okay. Before we go into the chapter, let us do a small activity. You already learned this portion in your previous class. Okay, let's recollect what we learned earlier. Okay, underline, based on that knowledge, you can do this activity. The question is, underline the prepositions in the sentences given below. Here you have to underline the prepositions. You have to find the prepositions in these sentences. Okay, first sentence. The box was under the table. The box was under the table. Second sentence. The plane flew high over the clouds. The plane flew high over the clouds. Next sentence. Please do not play cricket inside the house. Next one. I parked my cycle outside Jayamol's house. Next one. Teja's flat is below Arun's. Next sentence, we always eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Next one, my aunt lives in Hyderabad. Last sentence, the book was on the table. Okay, these are the sentences, and here you have to underline the prepositions in these sentences. Okay, let us check the answers. Okay, first one, the box was under the table. Here, under, that is the example of a preposition. Next one, over, it is preposition in that sentence. Next one, please do not play cricket inside the house. Here, inside is an example of a preposition. Next one, I parked my cycle outside Jayamol's house. Here, preposition is outside. Next one, Teja's flat is below Arun's. Here, below is a preposition. Next one, we always eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Here, at is the preposition. Next one, in. My aunt lives in Hyderabad. Here, in is the preposition. Next one, the book was on the table. Here, on is the preposition. Okay. So, prepositions are words that show the relationship of a main noun or pronoun with other words in sentences. Prepositions are words that show the relationship. It shows the relationship of a main noun. We already know that noun is a naming word and pronouns are names, words that are used instead of a noun. So, prepositions are words that show the relationship of a main noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence. They answer the questions where or when. That is the main feature of these prepositions. They answer the questions where or when. Prepositions are words that show the relationship of a main noun or pronoun with other words in a sentences. Okay, here you can see some pictures. Okay, look at the first picture. Here you can see a boy in this picture. Okay, can you read this sentence? Yes. Shiv sat between his mother and aunt. Okay, here the boy's name is Shiv and he sat between his mother and aunt. Shiv sat between. Sat. The word sat is the past form of the verb sit. Okay, Shiv sat between his mother and aunt. Look at the next picture. Yes, here you can see the picture of a house. And here you can also see a water body. Okay, there is a lake behind my house. Here you can see the picture of a lake. There is a lake behind my house. Look at the next picture. Here you can see the picture of a train. Yes, the train will leave from platform 1. The train will leave from platform 1. Okay, next, look at the next picture. Here you can see the picture of a bus. This bus is going to Delhi. This bus is going to Delhi. Okay, look at the next picture. Here you can see the picture of a house and you can also see the picture of a river. Can you read this sentence? Yes. Their house is near the river. Their house is near the river. Okay, look at the next picture. Here you can see the picture of a girl and a lady. Okay, Sandhya lives with her aunt. Sandhya, the name of this girl is Sandhya, and Sandhya lives with her aunt. Okay, look at these words in red color. Can you read those? Yes, between, behind, from, then next one, to, near and with. These are prepositions. We already saw that prepositions are words that show the relationship of a main noun or pronoun with other words in a sentences. Okay, these words between, behind, from, to, near and with are prepositions, and this shows the relationship of a main noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence. Okay, let us learn about each in further detail. Today we are going to deal with these prepositions. Okay, first one, between. Okay, first one, between. Yes, look at this picture. Here you can see the picture of penguins. Okay, between is used when someone or something is in the middle of two other things or people. Here between is a preposition. Then between is used when someone or something is in the middle of two other things or people. Look at this picture. Here you can see the picture of a penguins, and look at this position. Look at its position. Yes, it is in middle of these two penguins. Okay, so between, we use the preposition between. Between is used when someone or something is in the middle of two other things or people. Okay, look at this picture. Here you can see the picture of a house, and you can also see the picture of trees. Okay, look at, can you read this example? Yes, there is an outhouse between the two trees. There is, here you can see the picture of a house, and there is an outhouse between the two trees. Look at the next example. Our class is between the science lab and library. Our class is between the science lab and the library. Here the preposition between is used when someone or something is in the middle of two other things or people. Here the position of this house is mean between these two trees. So the preposition between is used when someone or something is in the middle of two other things. Okay, middle of two other things or people. Okay, next one, next example. In an ice cream sandwich, the ice cream is placed between two biscuits. In an ice cream sandwich. Look at this picture. Here you can see the picture of an ice cream sandwich. Okay, here an ice cream sandwich, the ice cream, yes, here you can see the picture. An ice cream is placed between two biscuits. So the preposition between is used when someone or something is in the middle of two other things or people. Okay, next one, behind. Next preposition, behind. Okay, behind is used when someone or something is at the back of a person or thing. The preposition behind. Here you can see the picture of penguin. Yes, behind is used when someone or something is at the back of a person or a thing. Okay, look at these examples. First one, Sania was hiding behind the tree. Sania was hiding behind the tree. Here we already saw that the preposition behind is used when someone or something is at the back of a person. When someone or something is at the back. Here Sania was hiding behind the tree. Here the Sania was hiding behind the tree. Okay, look at the next example. Neeraja walked behind Sarath. Neeraja walked behind Sarath. So, the preposition behind is used when someone or something is at the back of a person or thing. Okay. Next one, near. Next preposition, near. Near is used when two or more things, places or people are close to each other. Okay, this is the definition of this one. Or near is used when two or more things, places or people are close to each other. Okay, look at this example. Her house is near the mosque. Her house is near the mosque. Here the word mosque means a place of worship for Muslims. Okay, it is a prayer house. Her house is near the mosque. Here near is used when two or more things or places or people are close to each other. Next one, next example. Meet us at the park near Shambhavi's house. Meet us at the park near Shambhavi's house. So, the preposition near is used when two or more things, places or people are close to each other. Okay. Next one, next preposition, with. With is used when two or more things or people are together in the same place. Here the preposition with is used when two or more things or people are together in the same place. For example, first one, I want chutney with my dosas. Then next one, Rablin went with Avinash to meet the principal. So the preposition with is used when two or more things or people are together in the same place. Next one, next preposition, to. To is used to state the final point in a journey. To is used to state the final point. It is used to state the final point in a journey. For example, the train is going to Tezpur. Here the preposition to is used to state the final point in a journey. Next one, we are going to our grandparents' house. We are going to our grandparents' house. Here the preposition to is used to state the final point in a journey. Okay. Next one, from. The last one, the preposition from. From is used to state the point at which something or someone starts or originates. Here the preposition from is used to state the point at which something or someone starts or originates. Okay, it can also be used to state the distance between one place and another. From is first one, from is used to state the point at which something or someone starts or originate. It's used to state the point. It used to state the point which something or someone starts or originates. Next one, next important point. It can also be used to state the distance between. It can also be used to state the distance between one place and another. Okay, let's check some examples. First one. Let us start walking from here. Okay, here the from is used to state the point at which something, someone starts or originates. Let us start walking from here. Next one, Pema is from Nagaland. Next one, Lucknow is 430 km away from here. So the preposition from is used to state the point. It used to state the point at which something or someone starts or originates. Then next point, it can also be used to state the distance between one place and another. Yes. Now let's do a small activity. Read the passage. Prepositions have been used incorrectly in some of the sentences. Correct the errors and rewrite the passage. Okay, here you have to correct the errors and rewrite. Here you have to rewrite this passage after editing the errors. Okay, let me read it for you. Listen carefully. It's from page number 32. I had lost my favorite pen. I consider the pen lucky. I needed to write my unit test. My cousin had bought it for me with England. I looked for it everywhere. In my bag, from my books, and even with inside my fish tank. Finally, my sister told me she had it too with her. Okay, here you have to correct the errors in this passage and rewrite the passage. Okay, now let's check the answer. Yes, I had lost my favorite pen. There are no errors in the sentence. I consider the pen lucky. I need it to write my unit test. My cousin had bought it for me from England. This is the correct answer. Here we have to write the preposition from to show the origin or from. Here we use the preposition from is used to state the point at which something or someone starts or originates, or it can be used to state the distance between one place and another. So here we have to use the preposition from. Okay, then my cousin had bought it for me from England. Then I looked for it everywhere, in my bag, my books, and even inside my fish tank. Finally, my sister told me she had it with her. This is the answer for this activity. Yes, and this is your homework. You have to write find the answers of these questions 2 and 3 at page number 31 and 32. Okay, today we dealt with prepositions. Then I hope it's clear to you. Wish you a good day. Thank you.